Alright, late night recording. First night at camp.
We're camping it.
We're camping it, brother. Look chopped.
I'm camping so hard right now.
Should we light this, put the blue stuff on the fire again?
She's gorgeous.
I guess.
First night.
Snags on.
On the deck. Last one on the deck.
Yeah.
Honestly, I don't know. It's my mood. All three rollies look alike. After two, you get a hookup price.
How close can we get?
Mm-mm-mm. 50-50 split. We have a sip, Tommy.
Have a shit you do.
Oi, two boys. Bring it together, boys.
Two boys just hanging out 5 feet apart.
You!
What's up, doggies?
Camping, brother.
What's going on, doggies?
And what perhaps is in this?
50-50 split.
50-50 split. Mmm.
That's what I used to shop at Aldi.
That's so tough.
Bro thinks he's
so tough. Horrifying. You ain't tough, Josh. It's actually gorgeous though.
You want me to go first, the dog?
Send it.
putting the work. You're a jerk. I want Jacko to go first.
Holy shit.
I don't think you understand. This is prime skipping location.
Oh yeah. Let's see it then. Let's see it then.
Oh, come on, man. You put rocks on the ocean.
Yeah, probably.
Yeah. So we out with Soju.
Terrible.
So what are they doing there?
Oh, here we go. Look at this.
Ooh. You got a skip. Couple skips. Whoa. You're gonna try and take him out, bro. Alright, I'm going. Ready? No, like I'm having a go.
Okay, go.
She's on. Steak Sammy.
Steak Sammy on the deck.
So you can't do any more on this one until you get down to this one. Yeah. Because you'll have that one over again.
Yeah. I can't do nothing until this is all connected.
Look at that. Come on now. Such a good fire.
Outside, you can't take that. It just adds a crunch factor.
I don't know what you mean.
Is this romantic?
Yeah, cooking
Yeah.
marshmallows to the weekend.
Yeah.
Yeah, dude, just
Eat it, dude. Come on.
yeah, eat it. Like what? Who are you?
Well, it's only 80 degrees.
It's only.
Eat it, bro.
Just put it in your mouth, bro. It's only
Give me a
80
sec.
degrees.
Come on,
dude.
bro. Just put it in your mouth,
You need to let
bro.
it cool down, dude. Need to get to the right part of the song. Start throwing, dude.
Just put it in your mouth.
Right part of the... Oh, shit.
You need it slow too, bro.
Hell yeah, brother.
He did it slow too.
You get that POV?
Mom, get the camera, bro. Put it on properly.
Dude, get that plywood out of the way.
Alright, I'll do it. Oh, shit. Lord.
Tom, can you drag that bag away?
It's so hot. Gaza Strip. Crazy. Lighter fluid in the fire.
Yeah, get out of the way. It will take I reckon it's gonna fucking go.
Is there much in it?
I don't know.
Yeah, it was a bit full, wasn't it?
Yeah, it's at least half. Oh!
Yeah.
Oh! Holy shit! Oh! Holy shit! That was insane! Look at all the ash everywhere.
This looks like doom, bro.
Yeah! Yes! Fish on! Oi! Oh, I think there we go. What is it? What could it be? Yes, bro!
Fish on.
Fish on! Oi! My rod was almost in the water when I came down. It was like, it had been pulled down so far.
Holy shit.
Oi! Natural fish, like it's shaking.
Oi.
Oi, you got the camera on?
Yeah, I'm rolling.
Yes!
What should be a
Oi,
shark?
It's a real fish. I don't know. What do you reckon it is? Might be a shark. There's a fish head. Take that off. Got weight to it though. Might be a wobbegong.
Oh, that'd be a cool catch.
Oh, fish on, bro! No. I did not think this would happen.
There it is.
Where?
There it is. Stop.
Wobbegong.
Oh, what we going now?
Oh yeah. Oh yeah.
Don't get away from me, buddy.
Come here, dinner.
Come here, you dog.
Trying his darndest.
Oh yeah. He's fighting. Oh, what a beauty. Hey!
Big dog!
Holy.
Look at the size of him.
Fucking hell, he's
Look at her!
fucking hell.
Fuck.
Alright, who wants to hold the rod? Woohoo! Yeah, mama!
God damn. She's beautiful. Look at the pattern on her.
Alright, let me run up and get my pliers.
Dude, it's fucking cool.
Yeah.
Which one?
Hold this.
Definitely not a ranger.
Yeah, he's chill.
Chill.
They're so strong.
No. Look at his teeth. Get the camera down here. Look at his teeth.
Oh my god. Bloody razor blades.
Insane set of teeth.
Holy crap.
Alright, I'm gonna have to cut her. Who's got the knife? Alright. You ready, Mama? You're going home. Do you like sandpaper?
Oh, that's crazy.
No way.
It's like sandpaper.
Beautiful girl, you're going home, beautiful girl.
You live a good, prosperous life. With a hook in your mouth. Later, brother.
It'll rust out. Go, girl. She's off.
Big dog on the deck.
Let's go, big dog on the deck.
Dog on the deck.
Dude.
Love that gong.
I knew it would happen. Finally, dude.
Can I get 10 big booms for that?
Oh shit. This is gonna be insane.
Oh, that's a long ass fucking route. Whatever it is, dude.
Let's take it last piece.
She's big.
Dude!
Yes.
Holy shit! Flame City. Just a silhouette.
Flame City.
Right. Chuck Sean on.
Shauna, it's your go, you fucking doggo.
Yeah, I'm going straight on, dude.
Wait,
Yo,
should we shot the wobbly gong on that?
we should have, man. Should have just fucking done it.
Put that wobbly on, it would smell so
Dude.
big old sponge. I got a free tourist. And there's still so, it's so easy to find, there's still so much. I feel like I'm bloody in California right now. Oh no, oh yeah. Oh my god. Jay. Let's go with you. I don't want to guess the song. Oh shit.
Did you have my camera?
That's so tough, dude.
Why the hell they put dog and fox poison here? Ooh. Ooh, maybe.
Yeah, baby. Still welding.
What?
It's still going.
It is?
Yeah.
Oh, lol.
Oh, eyes on the road. Oh. So fun. Gorgeous day, bro. How good's that look?
No?
How good's that look? Oh.
Tell me if you see bear pig.
Sorry?
I'm super ethereal.
I'm super ethereal. There's a
Like a ball.
Like
a ball.
were in there for like 2 minutes. Rib.
Rip.
Yeah.
Oh, his guts are coming out. Looking pretty good. Better off fish.
Yeah. Sorry?
Too much charging happening.
Open up your hood. I'm gonna put this on your seat. Can't remember what goes on first and what goes on last, but oh crap, why are these all so mixed up? Here we go, that's fine. Hold on to that, those two. Yeah. It's gonna be long enough? Oh yeah, that was so long enough. Hold on. Alright, put yours on. I'll go positive first and negative last, maybe. I don't know, that's what I did on mine. Try crank it. Lovely. Must have been all the music and charging, I suppose. We'll just throw this in the back of my car for now. Can you grab that case? Let's go. It's getting high.
Judge? Judge? Wow, look at this.
Oh, I'm going now before it gets too... I have to send it, send it, send it, send it, send it.
Sweat.
Do a drift there.
Yeah. Whoa.
Jets, my God. Back when they used to be fun. 0 to 80, 0 to 80.
Yeah, man.
Drift right in front of the Rollins car. I got the sample in the back. Oh, big drop. Oh, safety's key.
You send it. Success. That's a big mullet though, hey?
Bro, that's a bridge.
Next to my foot.
Yeah.
Wow, bro said you got an opportunity to take feet there.
I got a couple everything in front of me.
It feels like it was melting a little bit. They're on the steel cap.
Look at that. Who wants some?
You know, I'll definitely try some, eh?
I'll go to taste it. Drop that.
You hold it tell. That was pretty well cooked.
A little overcooked, but yeah,
Overcooked?
a little bit. But no, it's great.
Shocker on, mate. Shocker on the slab. Oh.
Oh, fucking take off.
Yeah, that's a good fit.
I love mullet.
Meat's at the bottom.
It's gonna be, just take the spoon. There's gonna be some bones in there, so just pick them out.
Is there bones in the fish the whole way?
Yeah. Oh no. There's a middle. The rib cage is the only bad part. All here is like meat.
Niggas talk shit till they get locked jaw. Till you don't, till you get locked jaw. Party like a cowboy or a rock star. Everybody play tough guy shit.
Wow.
Yes, I'm the shit.
That is an exceptional brim.
Lock jaw. Party like a cowboy
So
or a
white.
rock star. Everybody play tough guy shit. Pop off.
Mmm.
Going out the ocean. Bring out the whole ocean.
Caught hours ago. Brim, Jacko?
Oh, brim on the deck.
It's really good.
Ron, have you tried any Valerian?
Sorry. Well, actually, yeah, you can take it if you want.
No, I'll just do this.
I might just use my hands. That's beautiful. That's so soft. Yep. Beautiful. Alright, I'll do one more dash. Give me that.
What, the vodka?
Yeah. We got your oil, we got your piss.
Holy fuck. Wow, that's good. That's
Wait,
5 slaps.
do you reckon butter would do it?
Butter?
That's almost as good as 6 free games feature. That is. This is like as good as a major.
Is this the jackpot?
I would rather the majors.
Alright, I'm burning to death. Just like that.
Definitely 6 free spins.
That's at least 6 free spins, dude. Ideal toilet bowl.
Oh, we're dead now.
Yeah. There goes my face.
Oh, there goes that. Well, that's leading right to a lighter. That's sweet.
I said, whoa. What?
Shit, dude, this is a
shit,
big
man.
fire.
Oh my god. Holy shit. Very casually burning down the forest.
Oh, it's so good though.
It is, hey.
You get that bit on the ground.